Top 9 Home Remedies for Treating Dandruff. Dandruff is a really common condition that can be caused by many different things like stress or an unhealthy diet. It's not something that should be taken lightly because it could lead to other bigger problems if left untreated. Let me walk you through what causes dandruff and how to treat it quickly without using any medicine or chemicals. Before we start, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications to keep up with our updates. Number 1. Apply apple cider vinegar to the scalp. This is a great way to kill those fungus, germs, and bacteria that cause dandruff. It also helps with dry scalp. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water. Wet your hair and rub the mixture into your scalp, then leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing it out. Number 2. Use baking soda. Baking soda is another way to help balance your pH levels and kill those bacteria that cause dandruff. Mix a quarter cup of baking soda with 1.5 cups of water and use it as your shampoo and conditioner. If you're feeling adventurous, try mixing this concoction with some essential oils like tea tree oil or lavender oil. You might smell good enough to eat afterward. Number 3. Rub a spoonful of honey on your scalp. Honey is a natural humectant that can help eliminate dandruff. It also reduces flaking and itching. Mix a tablespoon of honey with a cup of water and use it as your shampoo. Don't worry, you're not going to smell like a big old beehive. Number 4. Use olive oil. The fatty acids in olive oil can help provide nutrients and moisture to the scalp while also balancing out any bacteria or fungi that might be causing your dandruff. Mix a quarter cup of olive oil with a cup of water and use it as your shampoo. It'll leave your scalp feeling silky smooth instead of dry and itchy. Number 5. Apply banana slices to the scalp. Bananas are great for treating any kind of irritation on the skin. The natural enzymes in bananas help reduce flaking and itching, while also providing some extra nutrients to the scalp. Slice a banana into discs and rub them on your scalp for about 10 minutes before rinsing. Also, eating lots of bananas is great for hair growth, so you might want to snack on some while you're at it. Number 6. Apply lemon juice to your scalp. Lemon juice may sound weird, but it actually works. You can also mix it with baking soda for added effect. The acidic content in lemon juice helps break down dandruff and removes excess oil so your hair doesn't look greasy. To use the lemon juice method, simply mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of water with 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Apply it on the scalp and massage gently for 5 minutes. Rinse with warm water and shampoo your hair. Do this every other day to see good results. Number 7. Drink more water. Water is essential for keeping your body healthy from the inside out, including your scalp. It helps hydrate dry skin on the scalp, which helps eliminate dandruff. It also helps replace lost electrolytes and minerals, which can be lost when you sweat or get dehydrated. Try drinking at least 8 ounces of water every day. You'll feel better and won't have dandruff problems anymore. Number 8. Try using an anti-dandruff shampoo that is specifically formulated for dandruff treatment. These shampoos are typically antifungal and work to control the amount of fungus that is on your scalp, which, in turn, reduces flaking and itching. These types of shampoos often contain zinc or selenium sulfide. Number 9. Place a warm towel over the head for several minutes to moisten dry skin and open up pores. This is a great way to open up pores that are clogged with fungus. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Remember, dandruff is not something that should be taken lightly because it could lead to other bigger problems down the road. If you like this video, press the like button and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.